NordicTrack Commercial Series Treadmill app. The pros, the cons. Most people think treadmills are boring, but the NordicTrack Commercial Series proves otherwise. With its connected iFit app, you can jog through the streets of Paris, climb the mountains of Peru, or run alongside elite trainers all from your living room. But does this tech-heavy treadmill live up to its reputation? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The NordicTrack Commercial Series stands out for its immersive iFit integration. With real location workouts filmed around the world, you can train anywhere virtually. The incline and decline automatically adjust to match the terrain, making every run feel authentic and engaging. The build quality is top-notch. It features a cushioned deck that reduces impact on your joints, a powerful motor for smooth transitions, and a massive touchscreen display that pulls you right into the action. You can also track performance metrics like pace, heart rate, calories burned, and distance, all synced to your iFit profile. Another big advantage is workout variety. iFit isn't just running, it offers yoga, height, strength training, and even mindfulness sessions. It's a full body experience, not just a treadmill app. Now for the cons. Price tag is high, and the iFit subscription adds another layer of cost after the first free year. The treadmill is also large and heavy, requiring plenty of space and setup assistance. Some users report occasional software glitches with iFit connectivity. In conclusion, the NordicTrack Commercial Series Treadmill is one of the best smart treadmills for immersive, world-class workouts. It combines strong engineering with entertainment and variety, ideal for serious fitness enthusiasts. But if you're short on space or prefer simpler routines, it might be more treadmill than you need.